The digestive system is a complex network of organs responsible for breaking down food, absorbing nutrients, and eliminating waste. Every time you eat, this system works in perfect coordination to fuel your body and maintain balance. Digestion begins in the mouth. Teeth mechanically break down food, while saliva contains enzymes that begin carbohydrate digestion. The food then travels down the esophagus through rhythmic muscular contractions called peristalsis. In the stomach, powerful muscles churn the food, while gastric acid and enzymes break it down into a semi-liquid substance called chyme. The stomach also plays a protective role by killing many harmful microorganisms. The small intestine is the longest and most important part of the digestive system. It has 3 sections: the duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. Here, nutrients are absorbed into the bloodstream through tiny finger-like projections called villi. The liver produces bile to help digest fats. The gallbladder stores and releases this bile. The pancreas secretes digestive enzymes and bicarbonate to neutralize stomach acid. Together, these organs support efficient digestion. The large intestine absorbs water and electrolytes from remaining waste material. Beneficial bacteria in the colon also play a key role in gut health. Waste is gradually formed into stool. Finally, waste is stored in the rectum until it is eliminated from the body. This completes the digestive process. The digestive system